How to use Shein student discount. Hey everybody, if you guys are wondering how to do so, you may follow up the steps. So what you can do is once you are on Shein application, if you would like to use the student discount, there are certain requirements if you would like to have the student discount. So you need to basically head over and verify your student status. There are different platforms available, such as student beans or uni days. So you can basically head over to those websites and basically create up an account. So you can just go ahead and create up your account, a free account, and uh, sign in if you already have one. You can look out for the register option, tap on it, and basically follow up the process. Follow the instructions on the platform to verify your student status. This usually involves providing your university email address or other relevant details. And once it is verified, you will be receiving a unique discount code. So once you receive the discount code, you may just basically head over to the Shein website or app and add your desired items to cart. And once it is added to cart, you can look out for checkout option. And from checkout, you can basically go ahead and locate the field to enter the coupon. Like we have this option coupon code. You can basically locate the field to enter the coupon codes or referral codes and then paste your student discount code here. Once that is done, you can just go and click on apply to see if the discount is applied to your order, and that is how you basically use student discount code. So that is it. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and then subscribe for more tips and tutorials.